Everyone, so this video nobody asked for. I'm doing this for my own peace, so I could move forward. We can move forward. Makausad ang dapat makausad. So kagabi, I announced publicly that I ended up my relationship with Clyde. It was beautiful 7 years, but hindi na kasi pwedeng magpatuloy yung 7 taon pa na yun. So I cheated on him once, twice, thrice. And I couldn't stand anymore seeing him loving me so much with all of his heart. And all I can do is to give him pain. So I decided to end it up. Last 3 days ago, I really wanted to confess everything that I did. Because all this time, he know that I'm being faithful and all. But then, I don't have that courage. Walang lumalabas na boses sa bibig ko to say it personally. So nakatulog siya and then I leave, confess everything. And then everything was so fast that, you know, I really just wanted to end it. Not because I want to escape, but because more than I want to ask forgiveness sa kanya, I really want to forgive myself first. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nagawa yung mga nagawa ko. Hindi ko kilala yung sarili ko na. But all I know is, lahat ng yun is my choice. I mean, those cheating that I did, I wouldn't say it's an accident. I choose to do it. And that's the reason why I wanted to end it all. Like, I couldn't stand to be with Clyde, knowing that, you know, I have feelings for others. Like, ang dami nagsasabi, sayang yung 7 years. Tagal nyo na, dami nyo ng pinagdaanan. Pero kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ba, dapat ba akong manghinayang or yun ba yung dapat kong panghawakan, yung tagal, kaysa sa kung anong totoo kong nararamdaman ngayon. Mahal ako ni Clyde more than he loves anybody else. Yung love na meron siya para sa akin, hindi ko alam kung may makakapagpabigay pa sa akin nun. Pero hindi ko na kasi kayang suklian yung love na yun na handa niyang ibigay para sa akin. Ayoko nang maging unfair sa kanya. I tried to say everything to my sister, and she was asking me, mahal mo pa ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko kasi ba't ko mararamdaman to sa iba kung meron pa. Kaya I just decided to end it kasi yung pagmamahal na pwede niyang ibigay sa akin, parang merong mas iba na deserve nun. I mean, ang kaibahan kasi namin ni Clyde, siya, ginawa niya akong buhay niya. Ako lang. Ako, meron akong siya. Meron ako pamilya ko. Meron ako sarili ko. And it was like patong-patong sa buhay ko. Siguro, maybe one of the reasons I started having relationship when I was just 15 and it's 2025 now. For 11 years, I've been living in with all of those 3 men na dumaan sa buhay ko. And I think siguro ngayon ko palang hinahanap yung freedom, yung sariling mag-isa, yung hindi ko alam. I don't know. A lot were asking me bakit, ano nangyari. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. And feeling ko, parang siguro, ako rin yung dahilan kung bakit hindi nag-grow si Clyde. Ako rin yung dahilan kung bakit yung potential niya bilang isang tao hindi niya malabas kasi alam niya nandito ako. Parang it was hard to let it go. But yeah, I decided to let it go because I think that would be the best for him, for me. And I don't want, to pretend like just because napipressure ako kasi yung mga tao sayang, sana maayos niyo pa, sana magbalikan pa kayo. I feel empty inside. I feel empty inside. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mabibigay ko. Kung tutuloy ko pa, hindi ko alam kung wala akong mabibigay kasi it's all empty. I mean, hindi ko alam. Fall out of love? I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Ako sa sarili ko, ewan ko kung anong nangyari sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari sa akin. And now, I hope na sana mapatawad ako ni Clyde. And sana mapatawad ko rin yung sarili.